Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the way to steam egg. When you steam egg this way, it's very simple. This way will keep nutrients and make the egg taste more delicious. The first step is we will clean it. You see there's the dirt on the eggshell and there are also bacteria, so we need to clean it before we steam. We will use a little bit of baking soda. It will kill the bacteria outside the eggshell. And a little bit of salt. We stir them well and leave them there for about 5 minutes. Okay. Now I will use kitchen towel and gently wash the egg. Be careful if you don't want to break the egg. Be careful when you wash the egg because the eggs is very easily broken. Okay, now I will rinse under running water to wash away all the baking soda or salt or any leftover. You pour some water into the pot and we add some salt and stir well to dissolve the salt. Salt will help us when we cook the egg. The egg will be cooked evenly. We put a steamer. I prepare a little bowl. I put some salt and some vinegar. Stir them well. This little bowl will have the egg smell better and taste more delicious. I put it in the middle of the pot. Then I arrange the eggs. Okay. Now I turn on the heat and make it to the high heat. We cover a lid on it. We will wait when the water in the pot boils. We will turn down the temperature to the medium heat. Let's wait a second. Once water boils, I will reduce the temperature to the medium heat. And if you like a soft boiled egg, you just steam them for about 5 to 6 minutes. If you want hard-boiled eggs, you can steam them up to 11 minutes. I have 4 eggs, so I will steam them in different time. One for 5 minutes, one for 7 minutes, one for 9 minutes, and one for 11 minutes to see what they are different. After 5 minutes, I will get 1 egg out. You should transfer the egg into the cool water immediately. I will steam for 2 more minutes to get the 7 minutes boiled egg. When we put the eggs into the cool water immediately after steaming, the cooling process will contract the protein of the egg, and it helps us easier to open the eggs. The white will not stuck with the eggshell. We'll write 5 for us to know. And now I will get 1 more egg that boil 7 minutes, and I cool it down immediately. Now 2 more minutes for the 9 minutes boiled egg. Now I will write 7. It means 7 minutes. Now I will get another one for the 9-minute boiled egg and cool it immediately too. And now 2 more minutes for the last one. Now I will write number 9. And the last one finished. This is the 11 minutes boiled egg. I will get it out and cool it soon. So now I have 1 egg steam 5 minutes, 1 egg steam 7 minutes, and 1 egg steam 9 minutes, and the last one is 11 minutes. Now we will get the egg that's boiled 5 minutes. Okay, I will cut in half and let's see inside. Okay, this is 5 minutes. Let's try with 7 minutes boiled egg. And now I will cut in half. 7. Down here. And number 9. This is number 9. And the last one, 11. Okay, so this is 9. So here is 11. So, what type of egg you prefer to eat? If you like to eat soft boiled egg, you just steam it just 5 minutes. And when you turn to steam it for 7 or 9 or 11, it becomes hard boiled egg. So they are very delicious and the fragrance of that is very good. Let's try it when you like to eat the steamed egg. The video ends here. Thank you for your watching until now. Please give me a like if you like this video and hit the subscribe button when you haven't subscribed to my channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye.